welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through a booty band workout. So this workout is going to be great either as a finisher or for those of you who really struggle to activate your glutes. All you will need for this workout is of course a resistance band. So without further ado, let's get into the workout. Okay, so make sure that the band is sitting across the middle of your thigh, and we're going to be doing 45 seconds of work on every exercise with 15 seconds of rest in between. Our first exercise is going to be a crab walk. 3, 2, 1. We're going to get down in crab position, squeeze your glutes, and we're going to side step. Now, I don't have a lot of room, but if you do have more room than me, then you can do 2 in a row and then go back the other way. The key thing is that while we're doing this, okay, you are staying as low as you can, you are squeezing your glutes, and you're thinking about leading with the abductor. Good, okay, nearly there. Keep squeezing. Keep that core tight while you're squeezing your glutes as well. And rest. Okay, cool. So next one we're going to do is glute kickbacks. And we're going to do 45 seconds on each leg. So I'm going to show you on this wall. So you're going to have your leg back. We're going to squeeze our glutes, squeeze our core, and we're going to lift that leg up and then back down. So really focus on driving through that glute and getting that acting working side going. My heart rate's up after doing those crab walks. Whew. Good, so really focus on getting that glute working. You can always move the band slightly further down if you need to. Couple more seconds. Good, and rest. Okay, so we're now going to go round onto the other leg. So I'm going to adjust my band a little bit. And off we go. And as you can see, you can hold onto the wall while doing this as well, if balance is not your friend. Obviously, if you want to get a little bit more of a core workout going on while doing this, then you can let go, because you'll be needing your core to help stabilize you while doing this. But like I said, if balance is not your friend, you can either hold onto the wall, or as you might be able to see, I've got some bar stools in front of me. So if I was to drag that back, I could then place my hands there and do them. Whew. Keep that core tight, keep squeezing that glute. Cool, okay, so next we've got glute bridge. So we're gonna be on the floor for this. If you've got a mat, you can lie on it. I haven't got mine, so I'm just gonna get down on the floor. So make sure you squeeze your glutes, and you're going to push those hips all the way up to the sky and then back down. So key thing for this, make sure that your feet aren't too far out, you're squeezing your glutes, driving through those heels to get up, and because we've got the band on, make sure you are pushing your knees outwards to stop them from caving in, which then is obviously going to get our glute med working as well, because we're putting some adduction on there, which, whew, my glute med is getting a bit of a workout, and it's definitely my weaker of the 3 glutes. Good, okay, up you come. So now we've got donkey kicks. So you want to be on all fours for this, okay? So you want shoulders in line with wrists, squeeze your tummy, squeeze your glute, and you're gonna kick up and back down. And we're gonna do 45 seconds on each leg. Drive through that heel as the leg goes up. Really feel that glute max working. So again, keep the core tight, and you want to make sure as well, like I said, that your joints are all stacked, so that your hip and knee are in line, and that your wrist and shoulders are in line. Okay, good, rest, and then we're going to go on the other side. So, like I said, on the other side, make sure you squeeze your glutes within an inch of their life. And as you drive that foot back, think about pushing through that heel. I know obviously we're going into the air, but you want to think about it as if like you do have something that you are pushing up with your heel, while keeping that core tight at the same time. Okay, so next one, we've got reverse hyperextension. So not really too sure why I stood up. You're gonna lie down on the floor, so squeeze your glutes, and you're gonna pump up. So think about getting those glutes up. You wanna think about lifting through your lower glutes, or underneath part of the glute. If you are somebody with lower back problems, I do not suggest doing this exercise, just in case. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And it's up to you really, whether you face down like I am, whether you come up a little bit, or whether you go flat on the floor. As I don't have a mat, I don't particularly want to be lying face down on the floor. Okay, and last one, we're going to go back to doing glute bridges, but this time we're going to add an adduction. So when we're down on the floor, you're going to glute bridge, and then when you're at the top, open up, and then come back in, and then go down. So you're going to push up, open, close, and down. Okay, last exercise, just to finish it all off, we're going to do an isometric squat hold. So we're going to leave that band on, we're going to sit down in squat position, and we're just going to stay here for 45 seconds. So again, what's really important about this exercise is the fact that we make sure that our knees are pushing out to stop them from caving in. And we want to make sure as well that we are squeezing our glutes and our core while we're doing it, and that we are sat as deep in that squat position as we can. Obviously, if you have to come up, then do, but obviously, the more that you can stay low and the longer you can stay there, the more your glutes are going to work. But if you do need to take a rest, come up, shake it out, and then go straight back down there. And we are done. Hopefully you found that glute activation, glute workout helpful. And if your glutes are anything like mine, they are now on fire. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more gym and home-based workouts. I've also got step aerobic videos on here. I've also got videos where I go into depth about other subjects like creatine, and I also do post occasional vlogs on here as well. So if you want to see more content like that, like I said, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!